Hi everyone, right, so you've been looking for something a little bit new or something a little bit different. So today we are over in Torretta Florida, which is sort of the Torretta's area in Torrevieja, and we're going to show you some of the new stuff, because there in the last sort of few weeks there's been sort of 3 or 4 new openings. So if you're looking for a new bar, new restaurant, or even maybe a new supermarket, maybe you want to come over to this area. We'll explore around and we'll show you what's new here. And there's obviously some old places here, so let us know down below if you've been to any of the places that are here, because obviously you've got the Great Greek, which is world famous, and things like that. So let us know, and then we can comment as well. But we'll take you and we'll show you the new stuff. So there is a few new openings here, so we'll show you what they're going to be. So this is the first of the new openings, Bistro 4. It's that new, but I don't think is actually fully opened yet. Now, we've seen a few people in there having lunch and bits and pieces like that, but other than that, it's not really been open of an evening or anything yet. So it's Bistro 4 by Jane. And it's obviously going to be opening very shortly. Now, this is what used to be one of the Greek restaurants. Not to be confused with over there, the Great Greek. So that's now the double-sized one, because they've got 2 of them, 2 next to each other. So, but that was the Greek. Now, when it gets properly open, we'll get inside and we'll have a look and see what it's like food-wise. But until they're fully open, that's literally just opening now. So, Jolts, which has been there for a while. Nice place to go for a drink, and they do actually do food in here as well now, and they do varying different things on different nights. So Saturday night, for example, last night, they do a barbecue. So you get 3 bits of meat, homemade potatoes, mixed salad and bread, various sauces, live music, reservations recommended. So obviously the Great Greek, enough to be said about that. Everyone knows about the Great Greek, how good the food is, how much we love it. They are actually just putting they've done a new big outside bar area, which they were still just working on that last night. So it's not fully finished yet, but that's up and coming. The Bombay Palace, that's where we was having Indian last night. It's kind of our go-to place for Indian. I know it gets some mixed reviews. Some do like it, some don't like it. So, and this is the next new one. So this one here, this used to be the new St James Gate, and now it's not. It's now a tapas bar. It's been completely closed, completely revamped, big outside area, all grassed out, or fake grass, that kind of thing. And it's a tapas bar. Now, they did have a live musician in there last night. He was playing and things, so, and it was quite lively in there last night. But that's what used to be the old St James Gate. So that's 2 of the 4 new openings. Like I say, there's obviously still the good stuff. Now, the Great Greek, we love the Great Greek. So down below, let us know. You must have done the Great Greek. Let us know what your favourite dish is in the Great Greek. We've done that one so many times. So if you go through our back catalogue, you will find a number of these places. The Greek, you've got the Kocha, which we've done. Torretta Asia, again, which is well done. You'll find them all in the back catalogue if you want to trawl through and have a look. So this one is the next new opening. This used to be Millie's Bistro, and it's now Vinci Bar. Again, it's early in the morning here. It's only 11 o'clock in the morning, so a number of these places are shut. And as you can see, Vinci's Bar, it doesn't actually open until 5 p.m. and it is closed on Mondays, but I'm not sure what they do in the way of food. I think they do like some crepes and bits and pieces like that, and I think also from what it says is it's a cash only place as well, so just be mindful of that if you are planning on coming. You need to be paying by cash, but of a night time it is busy. Last night it was, the whole front of it was absolutely packed. So then you go back to your standard stuff, your estate agents. You got the bodega, so the bodega is the equivalent of your English off licence, Polly's bar where we go for breakfast. So if we carry on a little bit further down, there's Torrevieja that I was saying about. Go into the back catalogue and there will be some. So I'm trying not to get run over here because there's cars trying to get through. This is another one that's opened. It's called Feel Good Smash Burger. Now, we don't know a lot about this. This has only been open for a couple of days, but there are a few, have been a few people in there. It's just like a burger type joint. So I think you can get like a burger, smash burger, with fries and drink for like 10, 11 euros, something like that. Then obviously you've got Torretta Florida there. Well, that's been open and around for ages, but that's where we was again last night playing pool. So that's always going to be around, always a busy place, always great to go in for a drink. So we're just keeping in the shade at the moment because it is pretty warm back here, but this is going to be the final one of the new openings, and that is a supermarket. So we've now, this used to be, I think it's called Economy Cash. This is now a Consume, which is one of the very big popular supermarkets over in this area. As you can see, there's absolutely shed loads of parking here, and this has only been open a couple of weeks. Hours are there, as you can see, and it's what used to be the Economy Cash place. So it was a supermarket prior to that, and I think it was even a Mercadona or something like that before it was an Economy Cash place. So that's now a new opening one. So you've pretty much, that's five new openings that have all become open in a short space of time. So as you can see, there is actually a fair bit going on over here in the Torretta Florida area. That's like 5 new openings in the space of about a month or so. Like I say, at some point we'll try and get inside the Consume, because we're going to do a video showing all the supermarkets. It sounds really boring, but just showing so people know where to go to get to the supermarkets. So that's what we're going to do. We'll try and get a bit inside of each one and show you. So bearing in mind at the moment it looks really quiet around here. Well, the reason is because at the moment nobody's out and about. It's all closed because it's only 11 o'clock in the morning, but you come here of a night time and it's actually really lively and quite buzzing of a night time. So definitely worth a wander over and a look around if you've not been over to the area. Come over, have a look, let us know what you think. Let us know if you've tried any of these new places and what you think of them. We've tried a couple of them, but nothing too much. Been in the supermarket to get some stuff from there, but nothing too much. So let us know in the comments down below if you've tried them and what you think of them, guys. Right, gonna leave you all to it. Got to go shopping ourselves now, so go back and get that done.